Are you looking for the best 3D printers under $300? In this video we will look at some of the best 3D printers under $300 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Anycubic Cobra 3D printer. The Anycubic Cobra is the basic model of Anycubic's new Kobra series of FDM 3D printers. It comes in a brand new industrial design and is equipped with advanced features to keep it up to date with current 3D printing standards. Anycubic's self-developed automatic bed leveling helps you with the initial bed leveling process. It makes sure that you get a smooth first layer and that your prints stick to the bed with ease. The direct extruder gives you increased control over the filaments and lets you print with flexible materials such as TPU and TPE. Its pay-coated spring steel build platform is designed for improved adhesion and the easy removal of your 3D prints. The large 4.3-inch vertical touch screen lets you easily interact with the 3D printer and makes navigating through the user interface a smooth experience. For $300, it is a bargain and a step above the Creality Ender 3v2. It is a good choice for beginners, students, and hobbyists who need a budget FDM 3D printer that delivers good printing quality. At number 2. Anycubic Resin 3D printer. Being the 6th iteration in the SV series, the Sovol S06 packs a rich set of features that provide excellent utility under $300. It's strikingly similar to the Prusa i3 printers and follows a similar design philosophy in its offerings. The dual Z-axis design on the SV06 neatly fits a modest build area of 220x220x250mm, which is adequate for printing most 3D printing models with ease. The pay metal build plate has excellent print adhesion and goes well with the included inductive auto bed leveling sensor on the SV06. Sovol has integrated a high-temperature hot end and coupled it with a planetary gear direct extruder. The all-metal hot end can reach temperatures up to 300 degrees Celsius, while the planetary gear arrangement exerts a high force on the filament, leading to good grip and improved extrusion performance. However, the machine is not without its faults. In our SV06 review, we found the default part cooling on the printer is slightly weak. Furthermore, the build quality of the SV06 leaves some to be desired. If you can put aside these minor shortcomings, the Sovol SV06 is one of the best budget 3D printers with many valuable features. It's capable of delivering good 3D printed parts and, for the price, certainly makes a good choice for beginners, hobbyists, and first-time 3D printer users. At number 3. Sovol SV01 upgraded 3D printer. The Sovol SV01 is probably the 3D printer under $300 that comes with the largest build volume, 280x240x 300mm. This allows you to print large-size objects in one go, without having to split them into multiple parts. For 3D printing things like cosplay props, this is ideal. The Sovol SV01 has a direct drive Titan-style extruder that makes 3D printing flexible filaments a breeze. It also has a dual Z-axis setup with a sturdy and solid aluminum frame for maximum stability during the 3D printing process. This extra stability is useful on larger 3D printers, which can get unstable. But it also helps you increase the maximum printing speed to get your parts printed more quickly without visual artifacts. And to top it off, there are some neat safety and quality of life features built in the SV01, like filament detection, a resume printing function for protection against a power outage, and thermal runaway protection. It comes partially assembled, 95% done, making it fairly easy in terms of getting it up and running. This comes in contrast to some other 3D printers under $300 that come as a kit that needs to be fully assembled. The large print volume of the Sovol SV01 might not be for everyone. But if you 3D print helmets, 3D print armor, or other cosplay props, the SV01 offers you plenty of build volume at an affordable price. At number 4. Artillery Genius Pro 3D Printer. The Artillery Genius is arguably the most silent 3D printer under $300. It comes with an MKS Gen L version 1.0 motherboard along with a set of proprietary stepper motor drivers. This makes it one of the quietest 3D printers on the market. This means that you can easily use it in your workspace without being disturbed by the constant noise of the stepper motors. For small business owners, this is ideal. Aside from offering quiet operation, the Artillery Genius comes with several other neat features. It has a proprietary Z-nut coupler that reduces layer artifacts on 3D printed parts. The cable management on the Genius is also unique. Instead of the wires flying around, all cables are neatly tucked inside a flex cable for added safety and aesthetics. The sturdy aluminum body comes with a solid base that is easy to put together. You get a color TFT touchscreen for easy navigation through the various functions. Although the print quality is not amazing right out of the box, with some fine-tuning you will have a high-quality printing experience on a sub-$300 budget. At number 5. Monoprice Mini Delta V2 3D Printer. It can be tricky to find 3D printers under $300 that offer a high print speed and come with features like automatic leveling of its heated bed and Wi-Fi connectivity. The Monoprice Mini Delta V2, however, is one of the few options that give you just that. The Mini Delta V2 is the successor to the original Mini Delta and one of the most versatile printers under $300 with a small form factor. The Delta V2 comes with an updated color touchscreen, with a new look and a neatly designed user interface. This upgraded version offers automatic bed leveling to make your first layers stick perfectly to the build platform. On the connectivity side of things, it has a USB port, SD card slot, and inbuilt Wi-Fi to let you control your 3D printer remotely from your smartphone. The self-diagnostic features are also unique to see in this category. The Delta Mini runs an extruder heat check and checks the movement of all 3 axes when you turn it on. This helps prevent failed prints and wasting valuable filament. A major downside of the Delta V2 is the small printing area and slightly reduced print quality because of the higher print speed. This is circumventable by turning the print speed down, but that does mean your 3D prints take longer. Ultimately, the Delta V2 is an excellent beginner Delta 3D printer in a compact package at an attractive price.